So before we are going to discuss our lesson for today, I have prepared an activity for you, and this entitled Remember Me This Way. So in this activity, I will be going to group you into three. So this is the group 1, the group 2, and the group 3. So all you have to do is to fix or connect those broken words to come up with its meaning. So I will be giving you 5 minutes to do your task, and after that you are going to paste your output here on the board so that we will gonna identify our topic for today. So are you guys ready? So it seems that everybody is ready, so I will going to distribute to you now your activity. So this is for the group 1. So this is for the group 2. And this is for the group 3. So you may now start your task. So I think you class are already finished because as what I can see on the board is your output. And I observe that all of your answers are definitely correct. But before we come up with your output for today, I will be going to ask you. So first question is that what will be the topic or sentence you have come up with your activity for today? So for the group 1, so Miss Kabusas, so what do you think is the topic that you have come up with your output? Okay, very good. We have the coordinate system of the Philippines. So how about in group 2? What topic did you have come up with your output for today? Mr. Galingan. Okay, very good. It's globe. So next we have for the group 3, Miss Sulaiman. What do you think is the topic you have come up with your output for today? Okay, very good. It talks about the longitude and the latitude. But before that, let us define first their meaning. So first we have the coordinate system of the Philippines. So the Philippines is composed of how many? Mr. Ileto. Very good. It composed of 7,641 islands and making it one of the leading archipelagos in the world. So therefore, Philippines is one of the leading archipelagos on the world or in the world. So below are the coordinates of the Philippine major islands. So as you notice, we have 3 major islands, and it composed of Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So let us define or let us know what will be the Luzon coordinate. So we have 16.56662 degree north and 121.2626 degree east. That is for Luzon coordinates. So in Visayas coordinates, we have 11.0000 degree north and 123.5000 degree east. And lastly for Mindanao, we have 8.4961 degree north and 123.3034 degree east. So that is the coordinate system of the Philippines. So next we have the globe. So it says that a globe is a spherical model of the earth. So of some other celestial body or of the celestial sphere. So globe serves purposes to similar to maps. So yung globes daw is, or yung globe is similar siya sa, okay, very good, map. Very good, Mr. Galgan. And but unlike maps, they do not distort surface that they portray exact to scale it down. So, unlike those sa map, it distorts surface. So, yung globe naman, it portrays except to scale it down. So that is for the globe. So next, we have the longitude and latitude. So latitude and longitude are a system used to describe the location of lines of any place on Earth. So that could only means that longitude and latitude are imaginary lines. So hindi sila nakikita. But it plays an important role in globe kasi nga ito yung magde-define or maglo-locate na line para malocate ang isang place sa Earth. So these are the coordinate system that is being used in the Philippines. So we have the Universal Transverse Mercator or UTM and Philippine Transverse Mercator or PTM. And so for the next question, we have, when we want to search for a place in the world map, what are the things we must consider? Yes, Ms. Salinda. What are the things we must consider in locating some places on Earth? Very good. We have the data frame. So yung data frame is the portion of the map that displays the data layers. Okay? Okay. So another one. We have the, very good, we have the legend, Mr. Galgan, very good. So the legend serves as the decoder for the symbology in the data frame. So yun yung legend, very good. Ano pa? So what are the things we must consider? So we have the, yes, Ms. Kabusas, we have the title, very good. So the title is important because it instantly gives the viewer a succinct description of the subject matter of the map. Very good. So last one. What are the things we must consider? Last na lang. We have the Miss Sulaiman. We have the, very good, we have the scale. So yung scale, it explains the relationship of the frame extent to the real world. So yun yung mga tools na can be used in locating or in searching a place on the world map. So the last question we have is that, how about in determining the location of a particular places? So what are the things we must consider in locating a particular places on Earth? So we are using the longitude and the latitude, which is the imaginary lines. Kaya nga sabi dito that latitude and longitude are a system used to describe the location of lines of any places on Earth. So ang longitude and latitude talaga is very important in locating a particular place on Earth. So I think class na may natutunan kayo sa ating discussion for today. Pero before we are going to discuss more about this, so I prepared a video presentation for you guys to be able to understand more what will be our topic for today. So all you have to do is to properly watch the video being presented, and as well as you must have to observe the use of globes and in identifying the parts of the globe. And also, I am requiring you to take down notes because you will have to describe or you will have to identify the tools that can be used in locating the position of a specific place. So, bakit nga ba po kayo binigyan ng task to simply take down notes? Because after this video, you are required to do a particular activity, and that activity will compose of 3 groups, and yun na nga, meron na kayong sariling group, and all you have to do is to label and identify the parts of the globe. And after that, I'll be calling someone from the group to simply enumerate or to identify the parts of the globe. So any questions? Clarifications? So if not, then I will be going to present the video.